Here we are back again. I have a camera comparison for you guys for the Samsung S22 Ultra versus the Samsung S23 Ultra. So let's get it kicked off. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are. I have had the S23 Ultra for a while now, and I wanted to do a camera comparison with the S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra. So yeah, let's get stuck in. Let's do a quick spec overview of the cameras on these two phones. So the S22 Ultra has the 108 megapixel main sensor. It has the 10 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens as well. So yeah, it's well stacked in terms of hardware. Also on the front there is a 40 megapixel selfie camera. So it packs a good punch. Then if we move on to the S23 Ultra, so the S23 Ultra is now packing the new 200 megapixel main sensor. It does have the same 10 megapixel periscope telephoto, the 10 megapixel telephoto, and the 12 megapixel ultra wide as well. However, in the selfie camera, this is now a 12 megapixel camera, which is different from the 40 megapixel on the S22 Ultra. So yeah, there's a bit of a difference there in hardware, but those are the specs. So without further ado, let's get kicked off and show you some of the pictures, some of the videos that I've taken of these two phones, and let's compare them. So this is the 4K video at 30 frames per second without super steady. I'm just walking. And this is 4K at 30 frames per second with super steady on. I'm just walking as normal. I saw a river, some ducks. And I'll do a little jog. And this is the 4K video at 60 frames per second. Let me know what you think. Just walking along at a steady pace. Let me know what you think of the image stabilization. And this is the 8K video on the S23 and the S22 Ultras. On the S23 Ultra, this is 8K at 30 frames per second. On the S22 Ultra, it is 8K at 24 frames per second. So let me know what you think of the difference. Just looking at it on the display here, the S23 Ultra is a lot more stable than what the S22 Ultra is. So it's worth maybe noting. And this is the front facing camera on the S23 and the S22 Ultras. This is 4K at 30 frames per second on both cameras. So let me know what you think down below. And here we are. This is 4K at 60 frames per second on the selfie cameras on the S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra. Let me know about the audio. I will flick between the S23 and the S22 Ultra, so let me know what you think of the audio on both of them. And there you have it, guys. There is the camera comparisons I have taken for the S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of the difference in between the two phones? Is it noticeable? Is it not? Is it better or is it worse, or is it about the same? Well, let me know down below. For me personally, there does look to be an improvement over the S23 Ultra. In terms of the image processing, definitely looks to be better on this year than on the S22 Ultra. Especially what I was really surprised at was the selfie pictures taken on the S23 Ultra. I mean, it's a smaller camera compared to the 40 megapixels from last year, so it really surprised me. So top marks. It was really, really good. Samsung have definitely putting in the work with the image processing. Again, 4K video is decent, and the 8K video is a massive improvement over the S22 Ultra from last year. So that's just my conclusion on it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your opinions. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel, guys. If you are looking for another camera comparison, I do have a camera comparison coming up for the S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So stay locked for that dropping as well, guys. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.